Most local businesses are struggling to get customers in today's economy. They seldom have a marketing plan and don't know how to bring in new and repeat customers. Our AI automations do this for you. What's worse is that there are hundreds or even thousands of potential customers out there that need your services or products but don't know who you are or what you do. How can this be? Well, after doing some digging, we found that the number one reason is that businesses do not know how to find a viable way to find their customers. You've probably tried newspaper ads, pamphlets, and even social media posts, and these have resulted in wasted time and frustration. Is this you? Maybe you've had the pain of not finding quality customers. Customers not showing up for their appointments, very few reviews, poor follow-ups. Inactive customers, not winning with social media, and difficulty with systems and processes. But what if there is a way of overcoming those obstacles and having customers contacting you instead of the other way around? What if you could access AI technology that does this heavy lifting for you? What if you can tap into next-generation AI technology that finds you new leads, converts your leads into paying customers, converts your inactive customers into sales, brings you constant reviews with no effort, and gives you the systems and processes you need? It's questions like these that led us to create an all-in-one solution for businesses at a fraction of the cost. We aim to solve these problems for small businesses so that they increase sales faster, with less hassle. The next generation of a profitable AI digital solution has arrived. Introducing ConvertPro Maxx. Now anyone can start generating sales for their businesses in the next 5 days. Best of all, no technical skills or marketing experience is required. Simply sign up, complete the information forms, and your account will be set up and ready to go within 3 to 5 working days. Want to know what else we've included to boost your sales? Social posts and automated review requests will improve your Google ranking. Appointment reminders to customers. No-shows and quotes will convert into sales. Schedule social media posts across all platforms in one go. Respond to queries from all platforms in one place. Overview on staff tasks. ConvertPro Maxx will help you grow and improve efficiency, but you'll need to act quickly. To secure a 50% discount on your first 3-month subscriptions for a limited time. This is a no-brainer to test out our amazing tool. Cancel easily with a month's notice. So why are you still watching this video, when success is just minutes away? Simply click on the button below and get started now.